Hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of the PSD to CSS Online video tutorial series. My name is Sean, and today we're going to look at a new feature called Footer. I'll show you a Photoshop file here. This is an example of a design that for a web page. It's in Photoshop, and as always for PSD to CSS Online, what it will do will take this Photoshop file and convert it in just a few seconds into a working web page. And it's going to add some special code to the web page. It's not just going to look exactly like the image. It's going to add some special code based on the names of the layers in Photoshop here. And the new one we're going to show you today is called Footer. So this blue bar here down at the bottom with the word footer in it, that's our footer. And what I'd like it to do when people see this web page is to always be at the bottom of the browser. No matter what size they make the browser, whether it's wide or skinny, short or tall, full screen, not full screen, whatever, I want that footer to be married to the bottom of the browser, always at the bottom. And so the way that we do that is we name the layer right here. It's called _footer center. You can see that that's the one that's highlighted. _footer _center. All that's important to make it a footer is _footer. I would also like it centered in the page, and so we have _center there. For those of you that have used PSD to CSS Online before, that's a little misleading. Normally you only have to have one layer in the whole page that says center, _center, a big one in the background. That doesn't work for footer. So for footer, to make one centered, you have to also put _center. If you don't, it's fine. It puts the footer the same distance from the left side of the page as you designed it, always. So let's save this. I think it's already saved. Here, we'll save it. And we'll just go to PSD to CSS Online. We will upload this PSD file. And what's happening now is PSD to CSS Online is taking apart that, oops, I left that window open for too long. But it's taking apart that Photoshop file and taking all the layers apart. It's making JPEGs or PNGs out of all the layers. It's reading all the instructions and the layer names, and it's generating all the HTML and all the images and all the image tags and everything in JavaScript to make this web page work the way that I had asked. So there, it's done. It's already finished. We can view the converted CSS page now by just clicking this link. I'll host it for you for 24 hours. And here's our footer at the bottom. And as you can see, it's centered. And if I make the browser short or tall, it doesn't matter. The footer always stays there. You might put things in this footer like copyright information, or who designed your website, or some people will make it kind of bigger and put pretty much an entire sitemap there, a text link to every important page on their site. You could also just put a watermark, just the logo for your site, and not have a big bar, but just a small one in the corner. But it'll always be visible using the footer feature. So there you go. This particular page has a number of other new features that I'm going to show in some other videos, but that was the footer feature, and I hope it works out for you. Thanks.